the jack on my tow truck that I use every day. Shit the bed. Let me see if I can. Oh my god. That's the jack there. I think it's like a Torin. I don't know. Put weight on it, and it'll just. Now, weight. Okay. In this barrel, I'm assuming that needs to come out. Square. No, I'm hoping. Okay. Yeah, that's it. It's the VEVOR. Is it VEVOR? Same, I think. It's got that, has spots for handles. Break it? No. Hold on a sec. Okay. It fits. Even looks. That's why I need the my tow truck that I use every day. Shit the bed. Let me see if I can. Here, I'll show you what it's doing. That's the jack there. I think it's like a Torin, I don't know, 2-ton. Anyway, jack it up. It won't go up, won't stay. Comes up a bit, put weight on it, and it'll just drop. So anyway, we need to fix that. This is not a paid advertisement. But this is the one I got. It's a VEVOR. VEVOR? VEVOR? I don't know. 1.5 or a 2-ton. Was this from Germany? Oh, forget it. Made in China. I use a jack on my truck. I don't know, probably a few times a week. That one there, the seal must have went in it. And I heard it pop. Ooh, shiny. Here, check this out. It's hard to see with this camera. I'm just doing this on my phone. What did I get? Oh, I got the 1.5 ton. Okay, let me see. I'll unbox it and check it out. I always take these buttons out. These buttons right here. They're like the safety in and out push buttons. I hate them because I need to go in and out quick. This is the pole for the jack. Okay. This little square head. See this? I don't know if you can see that. See how it's square? Fuck, come on, light. Anyway, that's square. That goes in your jack. So you can spin it. Now I'm hoping this one's made of aluminum. Okay, it's not horrible because I do carry it and pick it up, and I need something to be somewhat light. It's like this clip thing in this barrel. I'm assuming that needs to come out. Oh, yep, it does. It's just this clip. Square end in here. Tighten your handle. Now I'm hoping that okay. I mean, that's it. Not much more to show you. It works. Sorry about this horrible friggin' camera. Yeah, that's it. It's the VEVOR. Is it VEVOR or VEVOR? I don't know how to say that. If you do, let me know. I got it on Amazon. I got this thing on Amazon for like 160 bucks, I think. Like I said, there's my old one. I think that's a Torin 1.5 ton. Worked fine. First time I've had a VEVOR. It's basically the same, I think. It's got that stainless steel front barrel wheel thing. This one has handles, which is nice. I think. That one might have had handles. Let's go. Oh, it has spots for handles. I wonder if this thing will fit in my truck. Anyway. See, because I store this thing in my truck, I need this to go on and off quick. You just push this button. Seems to work okay. Okay, let's put it in the truck and see how she goes. It fits, even with the handles. That's why I need that. See, it fits perfect. That black thing, it goes right in my little side box. That's why I need the handle to be on and off. Okay, happy. So yeah, I use my jack about 4 or 5 times a week. Like I said, I never had one of them VEVORs or VEVORs or whatever it is. I've always had the Torins. I think you can, up here in Canada, we get them at Princess Auto. But I think they have them at Harbor Freight. Big Red or Torin or whatever. You can get it on Amazon too. But yeah, we'll see how this one goes. Oh, look at that sunrise. I don't know if you can see that. Camera never does it justice. A little bit. Anyway. So yeah, she's all buttoned up and ready to go to work. I'll let you know if I have any issues. That's the old one. I think it's a Torin 2 ton. Like I said, it did great. I had this thing for like 3 years. And it's same setup. Dual piston. I think something just popped in it over time. But she'll go in the garbage. Off to new, better, brighter days in the recycle plant. Who knows what you'll turn into? Anyway. If this video helped you or gave you an idea of what that 1.5 ton jack looks like, let me know.